This poor Xbox One has a broken USB port. I've never soldered before. Let's see if a complete noob can do this. Jumping straight over to the Xbox being open. I'm surprised this thing even worked. It is absolute caked of dust all over. Surprised it could even breathe. After cleaning all that dust away, I'm now mixing the factory solder with leaded solder, which lowers the melting temperature of what's already there. It's time to get the hot air out. It's set to 430 Celsius, which is extremely hot. I'm trying to keep my hands away from it and melt that solder so the port just falls straight out. Come on, just fall out, hurry up. The hot air station isn't working correctly here. This should have just come out a long time before now. It actually overheated the following day. Check out the short linked in the description. In the end, I just grabbed the soldering iron and just pushed it through very gently, and it managed to pop straight out, which is great. Oh, yeah, you forgot to press record. Just heating up this now. Just letting this heat up. It's nowhere near hot enough yet. Got a grip of this now. What I'm looking for is for all of this to go molten. As soon as I see that, I'm slapping this down as quick as I can. Okay. Attempt number 2. Flat. Not looking bad. Should be the other way around. Soldered it on the wrong side. Oh! Oh, that hurts. Oh, yeah, I'm scratching my head, trying to figure out why this won't go together. Right, let's give it a test. Fingers crossed on this one. I was going to tidy up the workspace, but had a break instead. There we go. Got the power in. Not clicked it yet. Not clicked it yet. Right, let's see if there's anything that comes up. 3, 2, 1, go. Good, starting up. Yeah, still works. That's awesome. Can't believe it still works. Been taken apart 5 times today. All of that soldering on that corner there. Luckily it's not near anything, so that's probably what saved it. And there we go, it's in. Switch back over to the overhead camera. I need to watch this controller, so I plug in the USB. Oh, fire it! Yes, yes. So we have at least power coming to here. Let's see if we can move around. Yeah, winner. English, UK. Yeah, controller works. And there we go. The Xbox is back up and running. I thought I'd cook the motherboard with all that heat going in that corner, but luckily everything still works fine. Thanks for watching, and remember, link in the description to see the hot air overheat. Donk. Donk.